LAPSO Studios was founded in 2021. We are a boutique fitness studio running 3 disciplines of cycling, functional fitness, and barre. There are elements that we use in the room, such as sound, microphone, lights, as well as a motivational instructor to facilitate the class. Sound is one of the most important things because if there's no sound, there's no music, there's no microphone, and the class really depends on the clarity of the sound.
We try to solve different issues for different companies, looking to find between technology, sound and light, creative solutions for immersive experiences. For a boutique and high-class studio, we were looking to find a high-class solution. So we were looking for a brand that actually fits with these necessities, and for sure for us it was Electro-Voice.
You have to consider the coach, clarity of voice, and the load of the system.
We had to make an acoustic solution. The ceiling and the floor were our only ways to work because all the rest is like mirrors.
We look at the best speaker models for this project, very directional, and to have the best gain before feedback.
The degrees we need to cover the area, they were very important.
In the room you find 12 inches, 8 inches, 18-inch subwoofers, all driving with C amps. Air filters help very well. The presets are amazing.
We used the Dynacord MXE5 processor extensively. I don't want to say easy, but yeah, no, the processor was very intuitive. We had to program everything properly, so to cancel all these frequencies we have. It was very helpful for us to find a solution this way.
You can route the signal from one place to another without problems.
We created like this interface in the tablet where they can control the sound and the lights from the same GUI.
That's MXE5 with the C amps who work together through Sonic U.
People don't really remember what you do, but people always remember how you made them feel. And so that's sort of the philosophy we like to implement here at LAPSO.
The most important for me was like making the installation and not being again here. So I think we did a great job because since then I didn't even saw it finished. So it's working from the first day, and this is for me a success.
Oh, it's amazing. I have worked in many different studios before, and I must say that the one here at LAPSO is world-class. The sound system is fresh, it's new, it's crystal clear, and it allows me to deliver the class that I really want to give.